In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact DigitalOcean support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get clear answers fast. Whether you're troubleshooting an app, managing an account setting, or looking up an AP detail. Start by going to DigitalOcean and signing into your dashboard. You'll get the best experience on a desktop browser. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct team or project so the guidance you see aligns with the resources you're actually using. That simple check can save you time and confusion later. At the top of the dashboard, look for the question mark inside a circle. Click that icon to open the support experience. This is your gateway to help articles, product guides, and search. Think of it as the starting point for finding reliable, up-to-date answers directly from DigitalOcean. From here, you can browse the support content. On the left side, you'll find categories you can drill into. If you're dealing with billing, login, or team management, head into Accounts. If you're building or automating with tokens and endpoints, explore API. If your app is deployed on their managed platform, choose App Platform. Pick the category that best matches your issue to narrow the results and reach relevant instructions faster. Click into a topic that fits your situation to open a detailed article. These guides explain the problem, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Read through the whole page first so you understand any prerequisites or notes that might affect your environment. Then follow the instructions carefully, testing as you go. If an article references related pages, open those too. They often include command examples, common pitfalls, and links to deeper troubleshooting. If you want more targeted help, click the Ask Docs option within the documentation experience. This tool searches across the official docs to surface the most relevant answers. In the prompt, type your concern in clear, specific language. Include the product or service you're using, what you expected to happen, and the exact error message if you have one. Avoid sharing any sensitive information and stick to technical details that help the system understand your issue. If the first result isn't perfect, refine your phrasing and try again. Even small keyword changes can improve the results. That's it. Use the help icon to open support, browse the categories that match your need, open a guide, and, when you want focused guidance, use Ask Docs and type in your concern. With this workflow, you'll reach accurate answers quickly and keep your projects moving forward.